crafty peeps, I want to share with you my happy mail. So the first thing I got, and this was for my birthday, is a gorgeous card from Marcy Villanueva. Is that not gorgeous? Happy birthday. And this has got to be the photo play paper collection. It is so cute. And I love how she added all the sparkly glitter on there. Let me show it a little close up, see if we can get that in the light. I don't know if you can see it, but I just love Wink of Stella. So adorable. And then she has a little message inside for me, but I wanted to share this. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Made with Love by Marcy. And I love how she has the color palette. That is adorable. And look, she even used the paper for the envelope. So I love that. Thank you so much, Marcy. Actually, I'm going to leave this out because I'm going to be hanging it up. So anyway, the next thing was from Tammy Volland. She sent me this really cute pedometer, and what it does is it flashes like the calories you've used, the minutes you've been, your steps and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much, Tammy. I love it, and I love that it's on a lanyard. So that is really awesome. I don't like wearing watches or jewelry, so this is perfect for me. I don't know why this is crooked, but anyway, let me show you the next thing. So I'm so excited. We did a swap in my Facebook group called Salty Beach Scrappers. And I'll have the links down below. But if you want to join in the next swap, we're actually going to do that over in another group. And this one is called Mad Crafting Skills, and that's Debbie Adams' group. So in my swap, what we did is we altered the Dollar Tree mouse trap. So they're, small. And all we asked you to do was add a flower and a butterfly. And you could add one flower or one butterfly. It didn't matter, just one of each. And you could do it on one or all of them, whatever you wanted to do. But anyway, so we did 3. And my partner was Laura Wright. And I just love, love, love these. So first of all, let's show you what she sent me. So she sent me this gorgeous stamp called Little Darlings. And this one says Daffodil Days. Is that not cute? I just love, love rubber stamps. They are so adorable. Thank you so much, Laura. And then she sent me this gorgeous handmade card. And I just love the strawberries on there. I don't know what paper collection this is, but it is precious. And then, of course, she has a little message inside for me. And then here we go with mouse traps. Let me kind of get them off of this red thing here so y'all can see how pretty they are. Okay, so I love this little butterfly. It's like a fabric butterfly. She's got 2 of them on here. I love the little charm, and she has like a little domino. It's actually a domino, but it looks like one. And it says friend on here, and she has these beautiful little flowers. I love the eyelash trim and the beautiful bow lace. And then I could hang this on my Christmas tree, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use these for Christmas ornaments. I love, love, love them. And then this one is Christmas themed, so it's absolutely perfect. Isn't that adorable? I love the little pine cones, little snowflake, eyelash trim. Just gorgeous. I really, really, really love this. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Laura. And I love how she adds these little charms on here too. That is so cute. There's a little butterfly, happy, eyelash trim. So gorgeous. These are going to be perfect Christmas tree ornaments. I can't wait. I'm always excited about Christmas, but I just love this. So thank you so much, Laura. Laura's YouTube channel is Laura's Craft Zone, and I will have that link down below for you. Hopefully I said that right. But anyway, I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day. And thank you so much, Tammy, Laura, and Marcy. I love my gifts. And thank you so much for doing the swap with me, Laura. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.